Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the TesterTech setup tour video 2023. Before we dive into it, I just want to say this is not a flex by any means. And what you will see is like the result of me gathering bits and pieces to improve the quality of my videos. And what I'll do, I'll show you my work from home / YouTube video setup. And if you're interested in any of these articles, I will have the affiliate links below, and don't feel pressured into buying anything, but if you decide to do so, you'll be supporting the channel. Without further ado, let's dig into the video. Alright, so this is the whole studio. I will guide you through it step by step. Let's start from the right. So I have some gaming monitor there, but I actually don't game a whole lot. But I have it here anyways when I want to plug it in my PC. When I finally get a good graphics card. So at this moment I don't have a graphics card. I'm using the integrated graphics on this one. So this is actually my first PC that I built myself. So it's a torrent case. And I really like the white and the bluish color scheme. So just some fans here, no AIO, just air cooled. And I'm saving up for a good graphics card and then I'm gonna go gaming again. So here I have my camera rig, and the light is a Falcon Eyes, and I've put it on top there. I attached it to a pole here, so just some call it a stijgerbuis, some metal pole there. You have my rig, and these clamps are they're very golden clamps. I have a couple of them. And it's really versatile, so I can easily attach any device to it. I have a little screen here showing the talking head. This is a Panasonic Lumix with like a fixed focus lens. I will have the details of all these stuff in the description below, so I'll just go over them real quick. So a simple light there, and here's where you do enable the light of the Falcon Eyes. So I have my edifier speakers. Let's move over here. So a little bit more zoomed out. This is the whole room, the whole picture. The light above there. I will get to that. So actually the desk shelf I made myself, and I call it like a scuffed desk shelf because the rest of the desk I also made myself is also a little bit scuffed. But I actually like that kind of scuffed look. Here, as you can see here, also scuffed wall. And there's a solid white, like a nice contrast between the solid and the scuffed right there. Alright, so the monitor is a 5K 2K display. It's from MSI as well. I'll have the links in the description. And it plugs into my PC using Thunderbolt 4. And then it has the 5K 2K resolution in 60 Hertz, and I use this mainly, this is my main monitor of course, for content creation, video editing, and also creating demo, working from home, and it's a very versatile monitor. I really enjoy it. So if you look under the desk shelf, I have a couple of these bamboo drawers. So I use that to organize some small stuff, and it also helps a lot with the cable management. So cable management is not the best, I would say, but it's okay. It's a work in progress. Alright, so I have these HDMI cables here. So let me pull one out. So two HDMI cables. One is from the laptop there. And the other one is from my recording rig. And I have this USB dongle here. So I just grab the cam link, and then I put simple cam link. Yeah, there, that's in focus. Simple cam link, and I just plug it in there, and I plug one of these two HDMI outs. So again, one is the recording setup, and the other one is the laptop. And I easily am able to switch what I'm trying to record. So in my TesterTech videos, you see this laptop screen. This is actually the laptop. And I ended up using this as like the whole Linux environment. So sometimes you see at Legion, right? At Legion, that's this laptop here. So it's a very, very cool laptop. It has a dual boot, so it's also a gaming laptop. It has like, I think it's a 3060 in there and an AMD processor. So it's a heavy, sturdy laptop, and I really enjoy working on it. But it's a secondary, and this is of course my primary for creating content. So yeah, the keyboards are here. So this is a Tofu with like a keycap. I think it's called Whale. And it's like a bluish, grayish color scheme. It matches the laptop actually pretty good, right? And this is a KBD Fence 67. And there's also Bluetooth, but now I have it plugged in and I switch these keyboards a lot when I'm just wanted to switch it up. This is like more clacky. This is more foggy, a little bit lower. So yeah, I really like to switch these up. And there's the Drop Carmelio color scheme, the keycaps. So MT3 profile, and this is the Cherry profile. Alright, so I have my trackball here, and it's very comfortable to use it for extensive periods. And I have a small wireless mouse there when I quickly want to drag something quickly. Or when I'm using this laptop, for example, and I want to click something on this screen, then I use that mouse. Alright, so here I have my USB switch, which switches between the PC and one of the laptops. So I have several laptops, as you can maybe see. There are 4 of them there, and so in total I have 5 here. And yeah, most of them I do still use. One is also for my daily job as a consultant. And what I do, I'll show you. So let me move the keyboard here. I will just grab one laptop, what I want to use, and put it in there. And then I'll just, the cable's here. Grab the cable here. So here's my display. USB-C display, a USB-C power. I just plug it in there and immediately I can work on this big display. Very easy, very convenient, and I think it's quite clean actually. I'm very happy with this kind of versatile work setup. Okay, put it in there. So I talked about that as well. Let me close the laptop lid. Alright, what do we have for the rest? We have the Yeti microphone. So let me grab it. So I actually recently just did it like this. So as you can see, it's very close to my mouth as well when I'm using it like this. So I hope it helps with the interference. I was really getting annoyed by the huge amount of interference that I got in my videos. So now it's very clean as well behind my monitor. And I can just push it back easily when I don't want to see it again. Alright, for the rest I have my headset here. So it goes all the way into the PC. So it's a Sennheiser HD 560S. There's reasonably good headphones. There are better, but I use that when I want to hear precisely what the sound is like the interference, stuff like that. But it's a work in progress, I would say. So here you have like a simple IKEA lamp. Simple. One old camera and my Beats. My Beats in-ear headphones. I use it when I'm on the go. Very comfortable to put in and just listen. So an old like a woodworking stuff. And yeah, some photos of the family, of course. Very important. And here I have my backdrop. So if you look at this, so this is like basically what you see in my videos, something like this. Talking heads. And I also used to have like this kind of a setup. Sometimes in the beginning of my TesterTech channel. It's also very cool, of course. But yeah, so yeah, I think I changed it. And I just kept it sitting down here. It was easier to do anyways. And this is Godok's light bars. So 2 of them. Yeah, these have a battery, so you can move him, but I don't move him. And this is an IKEA lamp with also a Godox circular light in there, and I can change the color to anything I want using the app. And this is the light bar, so for my kids' gaming workstations here, so gaming PCs, they have dual screens, each of them. And I have this light on top, and it has a blue reflection, blue light as well. I also have it above my desk as well. So if I move all the way to the back, you can see this is my whole screen here. So I think it's pretty cool, and I really feel blessed to have this. Yeah, as a person, I really feel blessed to have this. And I try to do as much as I can myself, but sometimes it's just easier and better to buy stuff, right? And this is my chair, very comfortable chair. I got it from Germany. I don't know the brand, but I'll look it up anyways. And last but not least, let's look at the outside. Let's open up these shutters here. So this is my view when I sit and I just look at the nature. And let me go down. Oops. Open up these blinds. So yeah, this is my view from outside. Pretty nice, and yeah, it's a very quiet neighborhood. And you can just sit here and look outside when you want some distraction, basically, from your work, right? And I think I covered everything at this moment. Oh, maybe a small under the desk. I have some drawers there. I have a little footrest I created myself. I have a cupboard I created also myself, and an old one that was from the previous owner of this home. He left it. And my bag I can put there. So yeah, oh yeah, the desk mat is from IKEA. So it's a very simple pattern. Maybe I one day want to change it up, but we'll have to see. And yeah, that's just about it. Bye bye.